everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to simply fix the Google Play Store not working on your Android phone. Just go to the top right like this and go to settings. Scroll on down to apps. Locate this under apps. Then scroll on down to Google Play. So let's go on down. And we should be able to find the Play Store in here. So it should show up here, Google Play Store, tap it. Now the most important thing is simply uninstall the updates. So go to the top right, you see these three little dots, tap this. There's an option to uninstall the updates. Tap this. Go to OK. Now you're still going to be signed in on your Google device. Then we can go down and make sure it says enabled down here. So if it's disabled, you're not going to be able to use the app at all, so it's not going to work. So make sure this is enabled. And if you disable it, I don't think you're going to see it on the home screen. So it's going to be kind of hidden. So actually it's showing up. Oh, there it went. It's disabled. So you won't see it anywhere. So if it's missing, make sure you enable it. Otherwise it's going to be gone. So once you clear the updates and uninstall them, and you make sure it's enabled, you can go on down to storage now under the Google Play Store. So let me go back to here. And then we can clear the cache. So let's go on down to storage. Okay, clear the cache, clear the data. Then we can go back, and we should be good to go. So we can see the permissions right there. I don't think we need too many permissions for this at all. But just go back to the Google Play Store. You might find it in the Google Apps here. Or you might have to swipe up and type it in. Store. So on your Samsung phone, you're going to have two different stores. I'm just going to add this to my home screen. Drag it to my front screen now, and then we can just click it, and it should open up. And we might have to bypass this screen. Looks like we're good. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.